Good morning, boys and girls. Let's go over day 13 of your packet. Now, I'm going to link a video with this video that goes over all of the special sounds that you're going to need up until a certain amount for this packet. So make sure you watch and review them, and I will also review some of them that we'll use specifically in this packet before we do that page. Now, right here at the top, we're going to be working on long I. 5. That's an F. Very good. 5. That's long I. V. That's a V. Very good. I'm going to give you a clue. That last one, it's a silent E. F-I-V-E. 5. You know what this is? This is a kite. K, k, k. The first one's going to be a K. I know that C says K as well, but kite is spelled with a K. Long I, kite. What letter goes here? Very good. It's the letter T, kite, and also a silent E at the end. Right here, you're going to read this story and answer the questions with the choices given to you. And then right here, it says, write a sentence about the picture. Let's look at the picture. Looks like a little girl flying a kite. Now, some words that you could use to help you. Kite. Flying, windy, run, outside. I know you can make a great sentence using those words to describe that picture. I cannot wait to read them. All right, let's look at the back of packet 13, the number part. Let's see, it says we're going to be talking about more and less, teen numbers, geometry, and subtraction. Did you know you were learning all those things? Now, right here, it says, circle the group that has more. Can you guess what this shape is, what this picture is? I'm going to give you a clue. We usually see them in the summer. They're Harding green on the outside, but if you cut it open, it is pink and delicious. It's a watermelon. Good job. So we're going to go ahead and circle the slice of watermelon that has the most seeds. Right here, we're going to work on the teen family and seeing what numbers come after 15. If I use my little line graph here, I find 15. I see that 16 comes next. So I would write 16. And then what comes after 16? That's right, 17, a 1 and a 7. Make sure the 1 is first and the 7 is last. Right here, we're going to match the shape to the correct names, then color the shapes. Now, this word is hexagon. That's a very big word, but you know all of those letters, and I bet a lot of you could read it if you tried. Rectangle. This one's a little tricky, so I'm going to read this one to you. Circle. Triangle. Square. So draw a line to match them to the shape, and then color them. Right here it says cross off the dots on the 10 frame to solve the subtraction problem. Remember, subtraction is taking away. We're not adding and putting them together like addition. Subtraction means we're taking away. So how I usually talk about cookies on a plate, this is us taking away the cookies. So 5 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus or take away 3. So if I cross off 1, 2, 3, how many dots would I have left? I would have 2. See if you can do this bottom one by yourself. Now, this is the critical paper of the day. This is the most important paper in packet 13. And before we do, see, there's a lot of special sounds here. Before we do this paper, I want to remind you that I'm putting another video that's teaching you all of the special sounds again, but I also want to review them right now. E in me, E. Remember, if you see E at the end of a very short word, there's no other vowels in the word. It's very short. Then it says the long sound because it's a special sound. E in me, E. I in fly, Y. Y says the I sound in a very short word. I in fly, Y. So if I was marking this word, I would circle FL full, because that's a special sound. And then I would circle I and fly, Y. in stop, S-T. You're going to see these special sounds on number 13's critical paper. Tur in train, T-R. Sh in ship, S-H. Th in thick, T-H. Now remember, T-H can also say the hard sound, th. But on this paper, I believe it's only going to say the soft sound. Gull in glue, G-L. Bull in block, B-L. Full in flame, F-L. Burr in bride, B-R. One more. Sp in spade, S-P. I want to go over them one more time, and this time I want you to repeat them after me, so I'll wait, okay? E in me, E. Good job. I in fly, Y. Good job. St in stop, S-T. Excellent. Tur in train, T-R. Good. Sh in ship, S-H. Wonderful. Th in thick, T-H. Good job. Gull in glue, G-L. Good. Bull in block, B-L. Good job. Full in flake, F-L. Wonderful. This is going to help you do a great job on the next paper. Burr in bride, B-R. One more. Sp in spade, S-P. Wonderful. I wish I could really hear your voices. I miss them so much. All right, so this is your critical paper of the day. We've reviewed those special sounds. It's going to help you do this paper. The very top, it says, mark the vowels. We've got these words here. I'm going to give you a clue. There are no special sounds in this section. Section 1, you should be circling nothing. Only mark vowels. If you think you see a special sound, don't get confused. There isn't one. Now, number 2 says circle the special sounds. You don't have to mark the vowels in these words, but you can if you want to. But I need you to find the special sounds in these words. I'm going to give you a clue. There's only one special sound in each word. There are not 2 special sounds in any of those. Now, right here on section 3, it says, listen as your teacher says each picture name. Circle the letter that makes the special sound you hear. Now, go ahead and pause the video so you can finish section 1 and section 2 before I go on to section 3. You can just pause the video and start it. I want you to take your time. I don't want you to rush. I'm going to go on to section 3, but you pause it now. All right, section 3. Look at this first picture. Pretzel. Pretzel. So you have to see which special sound you hear in pretzel. Pause it if you need to, because I'm going to go on. Think. Think. See which special sound you hear in think. Spider. Spider. See which special sound you hear in spider. Oh, my lights went off because I wasn't moving enough. Let me see if I can get them back on for you. There they go. There's a TV show where that happens, and I'm thinking about it. I bet some of your mom and dads are thinking about it too. All right, let's look right here. Blow. Blow. See which special sound you hear in blow. Stairs. Stairs. See which special sound you hear in stairs. Tractor. Tractor. See which special sound you hear in tractor. And then right here at the bottom, it says circle the word that completes the sentence. So you're going to mark vowels. This is a sight word. Remember, you won't be able to sound it out. You just have to remember it. Read the sentence. You got to find the word that's missing. And they gave you two choices. I want you to mark vowels in those words so that you could read those words, and then one of them is going to make sense in that spot. There's nothing on the back. And remember, in these packets, you don't have to do the back of the papers except for that front one. I do want you doing the back. But if your parents tell you to do the back of them, you must obey and do them. Or if your babysitter tells you, or if your grandma or your grandpa tells you. Now, right here, we're doing addition and we're doing subtraction on the same paper. Let's look right here. 0 trains plus 1 train equals how many trains? If you had no trains and I gave you a train, you would have 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Look at this one, though. If you have 1 bike and I took it away, because remember that subtraction means take away, minus. 1 take away 1 equals 0. It would not be 2 because that would be 1 plus 1. Look carefully, that is a minus. That means we're taking it away. Think of it as that line is like someone pulling it straight away. They're pulling it away. They're taking it away. Let's go to this one. 1 plus 1, so we have 1 skate plus 1 more equals 2. See, don't get confused by how they look. This little, tiny little sign, it means a lot. Changes everything. Let's do this one. 2, you had 2 golf carts. You took away 1 of them. How many golf carts would you have left? You would have 1. Right here, 2, looks like a jet ski, or it might be a snowmobile. I think it's a snowmobile. 2 snowmobiles plus 1 snowmobile would equal 3 snowmobiles. But let's look on this side. 3 boats minus or take away 1 boat would mean there were only 2 boats left. Now let's look at these helicopters. I'm gonna see if you could do this by yourself. There are 3 helicopters plus 1 more. How much is 3 plus 1? It's 4. Very good. We're adding. That's what that plus means. So write a 4 in that box. Let's look at this one right here. There were 4 bumper cars. 4 bumper cars. But what does this mean? Are we adding or are we taking away? We're taking away. That's a minus sign. So 4 bumper cars take away 1. If I take away 1 of those 4 bumper cars, how many are left? 4 take away 1 equals 3. Very good. And that's all you have to do on this paper. But if your family or whoever is taking care of you wants to do the back, I'm going to go over that right now for you. Right here we have motorcycle, dump truck, motorcycle. That dump truck is between the motorcycles. This motorcycle is before this dump truck. And this motorcycle is after this dump truck. Before, between, after. You need to write the number that is between these numbers. 17 comes before what number? 17, 18, 19. So I would write an 18 here because 18 is between 17 and 19, and 18 is before 19, and 18 is after 17. So write 18 in that spot. Remember, the 1 comes first and then the 8. Let's look right here. 59 blank 61. What comes between 59 and 61? Well, let's see what comes after 59. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60, a 6 and a 0. Let's do this last one. 43 blank 45. What comes after 43? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. And then 45. Very good. Circle the one that is next. So we have a pattern. Balloon, balloon, plane. Balloon, balloon, plane. Balloon, balloon. Very good. Write down how many cents. All right, tell me first. How many cents are in a penny? Very good. 1. So we're going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put 8 in that box because 8 pennies are 8 cents. But let's look at this one right here. How many cents are in a dime? Doesn't look the same. It's not going to be 1 cent. A dime is the teeniest, tiniest shape, but remember, it has 10 cents in it. So we're going to count by tens. Very good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I'm going to write 50 on here. It is not 15. I'm going to show you. I know they kind of sound the same, but that is not 15. It is 50. And what I did was I wrote 50, 5 and a 0. And then I wrote 15 under it so you could see that that's not the same number. Now the bottom is just addition, and I know you can get that addition done on your own. Last paper, handwriting. I want you to read the sentence, trace the sentence, write the sentence beautifully. I saw some beautiful handwriting when I was going over your packets from the other weeks, and I'm very proud of you for doing your best at home, just like you do for me in my classroom. That makes my heart so happy. Same thing with house 3 and 4. Read the sentence, trace the sentence, write the sentence, and then beautiful coloring of that duck and that log. Now remember, this is the last one you have to do, but if your parents want you doing the back of it, we're going to do the same thing on the back and another beautiful paper to color. Thank you for working so hard on packet 13. I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, boys and girls. I love you.